Hey guys, Monster here, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on basic pen tooling and everything you need to know about the pen tools. So let's get into it. I'm in Adobe Illustrator CC 2015, and I have a little cloud here, and we're just going to get right into it, and I'm going to select the pen tool by clicking P, or you can go up to here in the sidebar and select the pen tool. And so first we're gonna start by just clicking, and we're gonna make a line from this point to this one. And to make a curve, what you want to do is you want to click and drag it. So we're just gonna like fill this up. We're gonna just go along the line. It's pretty easy stuff. It's just clicking and dragging. And so now we have handles here, and the handles are what direct the line, like they curve it. And so once you make that curve, you can notice that it's already curving the next point. And you don't want that since we're going to go around to here. And so there's a couple methods of doing this. I'll show you another method after I'm done with this. What I do is I just select the point that you last chose, and it just cancels out that second handle. And so now you can select the next point, and you just keep on dragging. And see, now this, you can just, select it again, drag it, just like you did before. You can just line it up. And see, we don't want this curve, so we're just going to click it, straight line. And let's close this. And so now we have half the shape done. I'm going to take away the fill so I can show you some, so I can show you the actual outline. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. So this is what we have on our path. And so that's just one way of doing it. I'm going to show you another way. And so you can just click, to all the points you needed. Click just like this. Make sure you have them all aligned. And so this is just a basic, shape of the cloud, but without the curves. And so how you get the curves into there, this is the second method, is first select the closed path and, get the pen tool, and then while holding down Alt, you can curve out the paths that you need to curve. And since you're not pen tooling it, by point, you can just, while still holding Alt, you can select the handle, and you can just drag it all the way back down to the point. You can do this for all the curves. Drag this back down. Curve this. Drag this back down. And there you go. Now you have the basic, curves of the cloud. And the second method turns out with a more clean finish, because it's all pretty much the same thing. Like the curves are more exact. But I prefer the first method just because it's quicker, and it still comes out with almost the same exact result. And so the less points you have in your closed shape, or just any artwork you have, the cleaner it's going to look. The more points you have, the harder it is going to be to, transform it, and it's going to be harder to, shape it and whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. So the less points you have, the cleaner it is. And there's several different ways to do this, but these are just the two main methods. And now what you can do with this is you can just change it from a stroke to a fill. And you can do Control C for copy, Control F to paste where you copied it. And now you can go to transform and reflect. And you can select vertical right here so it reflects on the vertical axis. And click OK. And now you can just drag it over. And now you have your cloud. And you can select both points and go to your Pathfinder, which I have right here. Or you can go to Window and then Pathfinder, which is right here. Or Shift, Control, and F9. And you can select both and go to your Pathfinder and then unite them. And so there you go, you have your finished cloud. If this tutorial helped you, it'd be really nice to leave feedback because this is my first tutorial and I'm not used to doing stuff like this. So just leave a comment saying what I need to fix or what you think I did right and wrong, and just, leave positive feedback, and it'd be really nice. And leave a like while you're at it. And thanks, and see you later.